Hello friends, Brisky's back. Let us explore how important it is to be polite to others. Welcome to Fairy Town. Today you are about to meet the naughtiest goblin in town, Gobby. And there he is, always up to some mischief or the other. He also has a few habits that are not very nice. For example, he is often rude to people. He never wishes anyone good day.
Good morning, Gobby.
He always interrupts others while they are talking. He takes things from others and sometimes never returns them. He laughs at those in trouble or in need of help. The head of Fairy Town, Lady Lavender, decided to teach him a lesson, and so she cast a spell on him. Let us watch what happens, shall we? Look, Gobby is doing it again. He is being rude to his friend. But wait, what's happening? Gobby is turning bright red. It's the spell. Lady Lavender made this happen.
Gobby, I have been watching you. You have become very rude to and disrespectful of other people. So every time you do something bad, this is what is going to happen to you. I'm giving you a chance to change your ways.
Gobby hurriedly wished his friend back and got back to normal.
Hi, Toto.
Shall we spend the day with Gobby and warn him when he is about to do something rude or disrespectful? Come along. Here he is at his aunt's house. Oh, looks like he's taking a look without her permission. Is he doing something wrong? What do you think and why? Gobby was taking the book without asking his aunt's permission. That is not appropriate. He has now learned to respect other people's things. These fairies are talking to each other. Gobby interrupts them and shouts loudly. Is Gobby doing something wrong here? Why do you think so? Gobby learned that it is rude to interrupt people while they are talking. Moreover, he was shouting loudly to make himself heard. He realized that talking softly may be more polite. Oh, Toto has slipped and fallen. Gobby is laughing at him. What is he doing wrong? Gobby learned that it is rude to laugh at people who are in trouble or need help. He has decided that he will help them out instead of making fun of them. Gobby is teasing Daisy the fairy. Does it look like she is enjoying it? Is he doing something wrong? What do you think and why? Gobby saw that his teasing was upsetting Daisy. He decided never to tease or make fun of anyone ever again.
Gobby, I'm very pleased with you. You have changed your naughty ways and are learning to respect other people and their things. I'm going to free you from the spell I cast.
Yes, indeed. I have learnt my lesson. Thank you, Lady Lavender.
And so Gobby turned a new leaf and never misbehaved with anyone again. I hope you treat others with respect and kindness as well, or else you may start turning red in the face too.